Do you know how to save the world? Selflessly help 3 strangers if each of them helps 3 more people sooner or later. The chain of kindness will touch everyone. While you ponder that for a moment, we're gonna show you the random acts of kindness that have already started. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. This woman chased her runaway horse down the street and the scooter driver offered to help her. No questions asked. The horse owner was desperately trying to catch it, but to no avail. The scooter driver had to stay in pursuit until they caught up and grabbed the horse directly from the bike. This poor thing couldn't climb the stairs and was about to lose his mama forever, but this guy was like, not on my watch. This woman asked her husband to shave her head because of her cancer. Men decided to smile her way through it, but the husband knew how hard this was for her to fight alone, so he decided to support the love of his life in a very touching way. This buddy wanted for his birthday was to go to a game and find some friends among the fans of his favorite team.
It's your birthday? It's your birthday?
But the local marching band decided that he deserved so much more. Some people have never seen the world in color just like this man, so his friend decided to give him glasses to fix that.
Go take a look at Big Red over there.
This is what y'all.
Wow. Come on, don't take a look at Big Red over there. This man is living his nightmare as his leg becomes stuck between the platform and the train. The station employees were unable to do anything, and then all the passengers got out of their seats to help the poor fellow. They moved a whole carriage which weighed 33 tons. This unfortunate handicapped homeless man couldn't stand up because his crutch was broken, and no one even tried to help him. But then, this man shows up and brings him new crutches as a gift. I just can't watch the poor guy bowing in gratitude. Watch as hundreds of people on a square in Hong Kong stepped back to clear the way for a fire engine and saved someone's life for sure. Watch as this whole squad of policemen creates a human chain just to rescue a stray dog that fell into a canal. Just a few steps before the finish line, an exhausted athlete loses control of his body, which his opponents quickly take advantage of, all except one. An elderly man lost 77 years' worth of possessions in a single bombing, but rescuers didn't stop clearing the rubble until they found his most priceless item. Bill Connor decided to make a 3,220-kilometer healing journey to honor his daughter who had drowned, but his ultimate goal was even greater: to hear the beating of her donated heart inside another person. Incurable disease made Tony Gibson forget everyone and everything, even his own wife, but the love with which she sings his favorite song causes Tony to remember for a second. This elderly man uses the last of his strengths to bring water to someone who can never repay him. This employee gets paid to stand at the cash register, but he doesn't hesitate to abandon his post at the sight of a hungry man in need. For this little girl to live a normal life, but her classmates are doing everything they can to make sure she feels included in playtime. If these kids are the future, I think we're going to be all right. Seriously ill boy, he asked his idol for just one thing to do his dance when he scores his next goal, and Neymar did it. When a police officer sees this little boy driving a toy car, he decides to play along with him in the cutest way ever, being very good, all right, and listening to your mom and dad. Okay, so you get a get out of jail free card, all right. When a basketball player decided to give his t-shirt to a young fan, he had no idea how much it would mean to the sick boy. A passenger vehicle stalled out in the middle of a flooded street, but a truck driver with an incredibly kind heart came to the rescue. Hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. Peace out.